feeling off today? Good morning, Ben. How was your weekend?
Morning. It was okay. Ben, are you okay? You look like you haven't slept in days. I'm fine.
Your face is screaming the opposite, though. Is everything okay at home?
Yeah, is Buddy okay? My cat is fine. So is everything at home.
So, what's wrong?
The only thing wrong is my coffee order. Huh? What happened? I asked for an espresso, but they gave me a latte.
Why didn't you tell them to change it?
Because my brain didn't have enough caffeine to think at that time. Man, if you can't think without coffee, you have a coffee problem. I don't have a coffee problem. I have a problem without coffee, which is worse.
So, did you drink your coffee or not?
Not yet. So, please talk to me again in about 10 minutes.
Office guidelines.
So, I'm Ben. I'll be your co-worker from now on. Nice to meet you, Jennifer.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
How are you feeling about your first day?
Excited, but also really nervous. It's my first time working at a tech company.
Don't worry, you'll get the hang of things soon. Let me show you the basics.
Okay, I'm listening.
Work hours are 9 to 5, but we're flexible on finishing times as long as the job gets done.
Got it.
Lunch break is usually an hour, anytime between 11:30 and 1:30. Just let your team know before you head out.
Noted.
The golden rule. Never, I mean never, microwave fish. Unless you want to be the office villain.
No worries. My cooking skills stop at boiling pasta and making toast.
Perfect. One more thing. If you finish the coffee, make a new pot.
And if I forget?
Then you'll see how long coffee lovers can stay angry.
Meeting room.
So, this is the conference room, but we call it the fight room.
Wait, what? He just means we often argue a lot here. About work, of course. Oh, sorry. And you are? I'm Zoe, marketing director. We met during your interview. Nice to meet you again, Jennifer. Oh my, I forgot my boss's face on my very first day at work. Well, I hope you'll work here long enough to remember me then. Has Ben shown you how to book this room yet?
I was about to tell her that. Jennifer, if you need to book the room, use the company website.
I see. How early should I book it?
At least a day in advance, and always add 15 minutes extra for setup and cleanup.
Got it. I see you're taking notes a lot. Yeah, it helps me remember things better. Good habit. But in meetings, you should focus on the main ideas, not every word. I will remember that.
And for the tech side, test your laptop, the screen, the projector, and all the cables before people arrive.
Right. What's worse than having a tech problem?
It's having a tech problem at a tech company.
Noted. Thanks for the advice. Project assignment.
Jennifer, I heard you're leading the new product project.
Yeah, it's for the new app.
Oh, it's a big one. Congratulations.
Thank you. I hope I can do it well.
I'm sure you will. You've been learning really fast.
That's so kind of you to say, but the deadline is pretty tight.
How tight?
I have 2 weeks.
2 weeks? That deadline is as tight as my jeans after Christmas dinner.
Right? That's why I'm so nervous.
Look, if you need some support, I'm here.
How? Aren't you busy with another project?
I wasn't talking about work support. I meant emotional support.
Thanks. I might need a lot of it. Contract signing. Good morning, Jennifer. I'm Sam from HR. Thanks for joining this meeting. Thanks for having me. And Ben, thanks for being here to witness this.
Anytime.
So, Jennifer, your probation period is over, and we have your permanent contract here. Are you ready to make it official? Yes, I'm so excited. I can't believe it's already been 2 months. Let me walk you through the key points. Yes, please. Your salary, benefits, and vacation days are all outlined here. We'll cover your health insurance and provide you with courses if you want to improve your skills. You'll get 12 vacation days a year, with more days added after your first year. Sounds good. This part covers our confidentiality agreement. Basically, what happens inside the company stays inside the company. So, we're like Vegas. Exactly, except it's less fun here.
If this place were Vegas, I'd be 10 times richer.
Or 10 times more broke. Hard to say. Anyway, Jennifer, you can sign here once you've checked everything. There, I'm officially official now. Welcome to the team, officially. Do you think we've reached the end of the conversation? Not yet. You still need to practice. Let's practice listening together. Overtime policy.
Hey guys, did you see the email about the new overtime rules?
Yeah, I don't understand. Does this mean we have to work more hours every week?
Not really. It just means if we stay late for big projects, we'll get paid for it.
Okay, that's good. But honestly, I don't want to be at work until 9 p.m. every day.
Same here. What about work-life balance? Can't miss work-life balance if you don't even have a life in the first place. Hey, I do have a life. Really? How can you have it if you work until 11 every night?
Wait, you really do that? Ben, that's not healthy.
I'm fine. I just forget about time sometimes. More like all the time. Look, at least I'm setting an example. Yeah, but it's a bad example.
Pay raise.
Hey, Jennifer, you look weirdly happy today. What's going on?
Oh, Ben, I just found out I'm getting a 15% raise.
No way! That's incredible! Congratulations!
Thanks, Ben. I can't believe it. I've only been here for 5 months.
I know. All I got after 5 months was the ability to unjam the printer.
Honestly, I don't feel like I deserve this.
You totally deserve it. Everything you do is amazing.
I was so nervous when Zoe called me into her office. I thought I was in trouble or something.
Are you kidding? You've been our star player since day one. I'm actually a little jealous.
Don't be. I couldn't have done it without your emotional support.
That's really sweet of you to say.
promotion news. So, before we wrap up the meeting, I have an announcement.
Let's hope this doesn't take too long.
Don't worry, it'll be quick. Jennifer's being promoted to marketing team lead.
Wow, really? That's amazing! Congratulations, Jen. I wish my car were as fast as you climbing the career ladder.
She's shown real talent and leadership. I'm sure the team will do great under her guidance. I couldn't have done it without all of the team's help.
And we wouldn't have been able to help you without a little celebration.
Agreed. So, how about lunch? My treat. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.